Hello Sprinkles, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be poking some slime. Slime. Let's put some nails. Okay, so let's get straight on to the video. Pew! So I'm back and I have my slime right here. So here it is. Do you guys like my taco shirt, by the way? This rose right here. Okay, I'm gonna have to keep it like this, okay? So. Oh, you go. Wait, I forgot to say something. Hey, Cupcakes, welcome back to the bakery. And today I'll be doing some slime poking. Don't forget to leave a like on this video if you liked it. And if you like this cute little panda that we saw, that's all up in here. And this cute little tiger. And this giraffe. And this little lion. They're all just settled over here. Sorry if you hear some background noises, we're watching a movie. By the way, sorry we're not filming in our office. It's still working it on. I'm gonna have 30 more seconds of this. Taco shop. And that's gonna be the end of the slime poking. Look at this. Like if I stretch it out far enough, you can see my face through it. It's gonna be the end of the slime poking video. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to leave a like on the video if you did. And tell me in the comments below, what is this from? Hey, Glitter Clothes. Tell me who says this? What's the channel called? And let's see if you guys can guess it right. Hey Glitter Critters, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing blah blah blah. And can you guys guess what it is? My hair is totally not brushed right now. Hold on. So I hope you enjoyed my slime poking video, and I hope there wasn't any. I turned it off so you guys can hear. I don't know if you guys can hear. That's gonna be another video. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below. What was that saying from? If you don't know what saying I'm talking about, just rewind a couple seconds. And So, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to do everything Wano teaches you. And Mr. Elephant, well, Miss Peanut wants to say goodbye.